Have you noticed the food sentiment score has spiked to plus 0.27 with a momentum of plus 1.40? This is a significant uptick compared to historical trends, where sentiment has typically hovered around the neutral zone. The 18 semantic clusters indicate a diverse range of positive discussions. What does this mean for you? Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, empowering you to parse real-time consumer sentiment effectively. Imagine you're a food delivery service looking to optimize your menu based on trending dishes. With this data, you can spot rising favorites and adjust your offerings to match consumer cravings, perfect for boosting sales in a competitive environment. Dive deeper into how you can leverage this data at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.